Hello my loves, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is Mridula Bhaskar and I hope you all are doing good. So today is going to be a little different kind of video. Okay, I'm standing in my kitchen and I was going to make my signature onion tomato chutney. Okay, so this is the very traditional South Indian style chutney which we make almost twice a week. We can have it with dosa, with chapati, with idli. We really like this spicy chutney, so I thought quickly let me show you how to make it. So yes, before we jump into the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. I am wearing a dress from Meesho. Okay, it's got this cute bunny. Okay, let's jump into the video now. This is my steel skillet from Kaiserhof. I've taken 2 tablespoons of gingery oil. I'm going to take like a handful of garlic. It's nothing, it's just peeled garlic. And I'm just going to put it in there and let it caramelize a little bit. And I've added 1 green chili, 1.5 red chili, which is very spicy, and 4 bedangi chilies. Okay, this is non-spicy, just for the color I've added this. So can you see how the garlic is browning? That's exactly what I want. I'm just gonna go in with the onions now. Now one very important thing which I like to do when I'm cooking the onions is, 1, use decent amount of hing or asafoetida. And half a teaspoon of sugar. Okay. So this helps everything, sort of caramelize, and it gives it that light sweetness as well, which is very tasty. The onion is like, sort of caramelized a little bit. Can you see that? So this is the stage in which I add the tomatoes. I'm using nati tomatoes here, okay, for the sourness. It's very nice. It's very sour and nice for a chutney. I'm taking salt, how much ever you require. You can, measure and put it. We go a little low on the salt in general, so I am using pretty less salt, okay. And I'm gonna let the tomato cook nicely. So the vegetables have cooked pretty well. Okay, you can see the tomato has become pretty soft. That's exactly what we need. Now I'm going to add just this much, okay, very little actually, of tamarind into this. So the chutney is here. It's cooled down a little bit, not completely cooled down though. Okay, so you need to wait until it cools down to a certain extent at least. And the key to making this chutney is to not make it very soft and smooth. It should not be very pasty, the chutney. It has to be coarse. So you need to grind it in a way that you pulse it little by little and then you grind. So in that way the heat doesn't blow up your kitchen and the chutney is also tasty. able to see, that is the consistency. Okay, it's pretty coarse. I have not made it in a way that it's very pasty. So now we'll go and season. So now I've added a tablespoon of gingerly oil. So that is a typical South Indian masala dabba. So first I am adding mustard seeds. Okay, I'm gonna let that splutter. So the mustard seeds have spluttered. Now I am adding a little bit of chana dal over there. Okay, a little bit of chana dal, and toss it around a little bit. I'm gonna add some coriander leaves, and I'm adding the chutney back into the pan. You can see very nice and coarse the chutney is. This is exactly how it should be. Okay. So this would be the perfect consistency in which the chutney has to be. Okay, it shouldn't be too thick, too thin. So I'm just going to put off the gas and serve. So yes, my loves, that was my humble version of the onion chutney. I told you my YouTube channel is not going to just be about makeup and hairstyle. I think many people are there who are doing makeup and hairstyle. I think I wanted to show you all my way of life, my lifestyle, what a typical South Indian lives like. That's exactly what I wanted to show, which is why I put in this quick video over here. So any small thing like this, it's definitely going to come up on my YouTube channel. And if you are liking the idea of posting such videos, then don't forget to let me know down in the comment section, and by giving a thumbs up to this video. You can also connect with me on Instagram. So I'll see you all in another video. Try this chutney out and let me know how it was. Take care guys, and subscribe to my channel.